Featuring 5 sculpted and bench seating combinations, the Sundance Splash Paisley Spa brings more families together. As the most innovative spa company, we offer the best affordable solution without sacrificing what's important to us to open the door for everyone to make family time part of your daily routine. This open seating model showcases easy-to-adjust two-tone jets and is teeming with premium touches. Crafted from patented Syncrylic material, a sturdy unibody construction, and supportive full foam insulation, the Paisley Spa is as efficient as it is durable. These 120-volt plug-and-play spas are easy to install and move as needed. It's also easy to maintain, from the patented simple filtration to the durable spa surface. The Sundance Splash Paisley Spa is perfect for patios or for anyone looking for affordable, premium hydrotherapy that everyone can enjoy. Contact your local authorized Sundance dealer today for information on wet testing this model for yourself.